Finland. The second country on the list is Finland. Finland is also known for its high quality of life, sustainability, and affordability. Additionally, 72% of expats are happy with their work-life balance in Finland. Finland's quality of life. Finland is an extraordinary spot to live for expats. It has a top-notch of life, reasonable cost for many everyday items, and superb medical services framework. The nation is additionally known for its lovely scenes, flourishing urban areas, and inviting networks. Finland's sustainability. Finland is a truly supportable country. It is one of the world forerunners in sustainable power, and it has major areas of strength for and on natural security. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who are enthusiastic about manageability. Finland's affordability. Finland is a shockingly reasonable country to live in. The typical cost for most everyday items is lower than numerous other European nations, and the compensations are high. This implies that expats can partake in an agreeable way of life without burning through every last cent. Finland's work-life balance. Finland is known for its incredible balance between fun and serious activities. The nation has areas of strength for a non-representative prosperity, and it offers many advantages to laborers, like paid parental leave, adaptable work hours, and sponsored childcare. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who need to have a sound balance between fun and serious activities. Sweden. The first